Hello everybody, Albani, this Konstantinos here, and I would like to show you today something uh, about the SendGrid or any other transaction email system, and I'm gonna show you how you can connect and authorize your domain to be able to send emails through those systems. To this particular video, we're gonna focus. I have already prepared some other. Let me have my picture down here so that you can see me down there. Okay, I'm gonna activate my camera over here. Hello again. Let's do it now. Okay, sorry about that short delay. It's gonna be perfect. You can see me again. I had full screen activated, and now you're gonna be able to see me normally down here. Great. Okay. Okay. Sorry about this delay. Let's start straight away with how you can authorize your domain. You see, I was trying to send an email through my domain, and I had a problem because I connected with Cloudfare, and if you connected with Cloudfare, you have to set up again your DNS. I'm gonna show you straight away. Let's go to Cloudfare here and see what exactly we have to do to make it work. I'm gonna connect straight away to Cloudfare, and I'm gonna choose now my domain. It's this one, infogateforall.com. Some of you might know the Affiliate Pal. It's a new app that I'm developing, and I'm administrating, and I want to be able to send transaction emails to people that they want to reset their password, or they want to when they register to get a nice welcome email, but not with the line WordPress on it, and to be able to have something nice. So I'm gonna have to use a SMTP service, and to this particular situation, I'm gonna be able to to be able to send through the SendGrid and have my mail delivered normally. So let's see. You see, already I have a lot of unique visitors, even if that's a brand new domain, in fact. Anyway, let's focus to what we're gonna see today. We're gonna move to the DNS from the side panel. Okay, here we see all the DNS. You see now here even it's the affiliate PAL that it's an A record to lead to the affiliate PAL, and over here, excuse me, I'm gonna put it over here so that you can see me normally talking, and over here I'm gonna show you now how you can authorize your domain. Okay, here the SendGrid asks us, you can find that the sender authentication over here. I'm gonna show you right away. Here you see the authenticated emails that domains that I have, and I want to authenticate even this one. Okay, to authenticate this domain, I'm gonna have to copy You see, it's the host and the value. I'm gonna have to follow this protocol and have it installed to the Cloudfare. So we start by adding a CNAME. You see, I'm gonna select over here CNAME. You see, I have the name. I have the name that I copied before, and I need the target. The target is gonna be this one. You can copy from here, or you can select and copy all of it. Okay, here we don't want to make any mistakes, so maybe it's better to copy from here. Some of you might deal with that. You see, if you copy, selecting and copying, you're gonna see a lot of spaces. So it's better to do it like that, and we click Save. The next thing it's gonna be to create another CNAME over here. It's not allowed to be proxied, so sorry, I'm gonna just add it without the proxy. Sorry about that. So we continue. We add the next CNAME. Again, I'm gonna just copy from here and paste here, and I'm gonna copy from here and paste over here. Not proxy. Okay, I'm gonna just do it like that, and now we're gonna need to add another one CNAME here. You see, I'm gonna add this one, and I'm gonna have to select CNAME again from here and then paste, and I continue with the next one. Okay, that's ready. Save, and the last step is to create a TXT record. You see, I'm gonna come here, add another record, select TXT. Okay, and here the name required, it's this one, and the content it's gonna be this one. Okay, that's the DMARC. We save this one too. In fact, I think that we have another DMARC here. You see, I have another DMARC. Just a moment. Okay, as I was saying about these DMARCs, let's move to the domain that we are working, because I just wanted to check what's going on with the DMARC over here, and in fact it's the best strategy is to have just one DMARC, okay, not two or more DMARCs. So to this situation we have the DMARC from, let me show you, that's the one DMARC that I added before, and that was the one that it was here. Okay, let's see that in action. I'm gonna check this one. You see, it's the DMARC, and here it says DMARC infogateforall.com. We're gonna replace this one with the one provided there. Okay, you see that it's fixing it like that. I don't want to have two DMARC there, so this one I'm gonna remove it from here. Again, we don't want to have the DMARC proxied. Okay, one way or the other DMARC, it's not gonna be proxied here. And you see that I have all those things that SendGrid is asking, installed and updated to my SendGrid and to the Cloudfare account. When we have all the DNS updated like that, we just click verify over here, and we're gonna see that it worked. Your authentication domain for infogateforall.com was verified. That was nice. And we can see a tick over here. We can again check the okay, it's not updated yet here. You're gonna see that it's gonna be updated and it's gonna be verified here very soon. I'm gonna show you in a moment, but in the meantime we can see that the sender authentication is updated. Okay, so let's see something more here. I'm gonna show you over here. We have the fspirits.com, and we see again that we have this error to the TXT. Okay, I can check that over here too. I'm gonna move to the fspirit. It just takes a little time to update on the records of the SendGrid, but you don't have to worry about that, because your account, it's gonna be your domain is gonna be authenticated. And over here, let me see. Okay, we have the DMARC to the next page. Here we have a lot of records, you see. I have just one DMARC here, and it's just not ready, already updated. So very soon I'm gonna see even here that it's gonna be green, and we're gonna be ready to go. So I'm gonna just have a look, fast look here. You see now everything is working, and it says that the domain is verifying. So you don't have to worry when you see that it's red. It's just takes a little time to update to the dashboard of the SendGrid. But when one way or the other, it's already working, and it's working fine. You see, the only thing that it's not updated here, it was the fspirits.com over here. I can just click verify, but and see that it's already done. So I don't have to do something more here. I hope this video was helpful. Sorry for the small pauses, but you know, when sometimes I have to check something, I want to be sure about what I'm instructing and telling you, and the point is to save you some time. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and please leave your message if you have any problem or any question, and I'm gonna answer to all of your messages, and try to help you to save time. Like, subscribe, and why not share to your social media. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wish you the best.